Good morning.
I hope everybody's having a fabulous Sunday.
Fabulous.
I know Kevin's about to have a fabulous Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
It's snowing.
Mm-hmm.
So he's got to go take care of the apartments. And he has to clear our driveway up to the mailbox.
Yay! Either that or move the mailbox down to the street.
Whatever, but I'm expecting mail this week.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to have it.
So I'll see what I can do, because we're talking, that's an all-day affair right there. And it's snowing. It's just going to fill up again. So it's easier to clear the bottom. So maybe I'll just zip tie it to a rail or something.
I don't know. And I don't know what they'll do if it's a package. If they'll tie it to the post.
That's what UPS does. They put it in a plastic bag and tie it to the rail.
The last time they delivered it next door.
Yeah.
You know, it's different each time. I don't know, but I'm expecting stuff, so, you know.
What? Don't give me that look. You gotta go out.
Boomer, you got your emotional support human with you.
You had a rough night, didn't you?
Boomer, can you take your emotional support human with you to the kiddie play park? Can you take your emotional support human on planes? How do you feel being emotional support human?
It's a lot of work.
He needs a lot of emotional support.
Okay, so it's snowing. Beginning to wonder if it's ever going to stop. I need to snow blow. It's not stopped snowing, so that's me getting up the hill. It's not too bad out here. It's like 29, almost 30. It isn't bad until the wind kicks in. Then it gets bad. So, so I'll fire that up, get that done, and then home to Val. Hope she's feeling good. So, I had some comments about moving the mailbox, and I had thought about it myself as well. I just haven't had time. So, I'm going to try and do that. I'm going to try and move the mailbox. But I have to clear a space to this rail. This is where I'm going to attach the mailbox. I'm not sure how yet, but I will. And I want to just clear all this out so it's obvious to the mail person what I have done. Packages, I don't quite know what to do about yet. But that's what I'm doing. Okay, so it's held down by 4 bolts. So I will go get a wrench, remove that, take it down there. Hopefully we'll get our mail from the rest of the winter. Alright, so I figured out how I'm going to put it on. It's going to be simply a temporary fix. Here's my mailbox. Got a couple of metal plates that was holding it onto the stand that it was on. I'm going to use wire ties. This is going to be just a temporary until snow goes away. And then I'll kind of come up with something permanent after that. So, hey, so there it is. It's attached with zip ties. I hope that's good enough. Cleared this out well. I'm freezing, so I'm going back in. Oh, just 2 minutes out here. I'm dead. You stay put. Here, jump. Look at you.
You shouldn't be running around like that.
You hear that?
Mommy's got a bum leg. You don't see her doing stuff, do you?
You're a pain.
So Angel's running around.
Mm-hmm.
She's got a big old smile on her face right now. So, I haven't done anything all day. I've been sleeping a lot.
Which is good.
I'm
Good.
not feeling well.
I know.
And, I don't know. I just need to sleep. I hope I can stay awake through The Walking Dead.
Well, we'll make sure it's recorded. So anyway, I did a lot of work at the apartments today. It's, I think, as far as I can tell, still snowing. Probably have to do it again tomorrow. You've got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. And,
He moved
yeah.
the mailbox.
I moved the mailbox. I hope it's okay. You'll see it in the video.
We're supposed to get wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour tonight.
It won't come off.
Alright. I could see our mailbox finding our trash
Bless you.
can.
Yeah, we lost. I gotta get another trash can now because, and it was the good one. Bless you. All right.
So, anyway, I'm gonna let you wrap it up, and
You don't want her to do her thing.
She can do her
Seriously,
thing.
she's all excited about it. Look at her.
I'm gonna plug my ears.
All right, plug your ears.
Alright, are you all done?
I'm done.
Alright. We're gonna go ahead and call it an evening. We hope you enjoyed a little bit of Sunday Music video today. If you have, take it away, Angel! And... But... We will see you... Ta-ta for now! I love you! I love you! Bye, guys.
Bye.